Guys, we got a package from Toko Mommy Sehat, Jakarta Pusat. Should be a citicoline. Oh, this is the list of products. Citicoline 500 milligrams kaplet. Okay, let's open this. And this is the prices. We got some discounts. The real price is 73,000 rupiah. Let's see. Let's see inside. The packaging is safe. They're using a shell. There's a rubber band too. Ooh, the rubber band is very tight. This is it. Citicoline 500 milligrams. PT Mahakam Beta Pharma. The expired date is 2026, 2 years again. This is batch is 2024. Ooh, good. 500 milligrams citicoline each. Improve your cognitive pasca stroke. Okay, let's see. The two sides is on seal. I will open this. This is inside. 5-strip X6 kaplet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 each 6 tablet. Citicoline halal. 500 milligrams. And the batch number, production number, and expired date is 2 years. Okay. This is it. Oh yes, I forgot to open this one. You must be wanted to know. This is one inside. This is citicoline. White tablets. Rather shiny. This is it. The citicoline. Thank you for watching. Oh yes, I forgot to show you there is a manual book inside. COVID manual book. Oh, citicoline produce 500 and 1000 milligrams to reduce cognitive down for pasca stroke, not for kids and pregnant. The dosage is 2 times 1 kaplet. Be careful of side effect, your stomach pain. Just like that. This is from Mahakam Beta Pharma. This is it. Thank you for watching.